Itchy eyes, a runny nose, and even some congestion. Those are all signs that you might have allergies. Thanks for joining us here today at 5. I'm Dominique Lay. As we head into the drier months, you might start to feel those symptoms a little bit more, especially as the cedar pollen count gets higher.
The sinuses, the headaches, just extreme drowsiness, the eyes, I mean, you name it.
Diana Palich isn't a Central Texas native, so when she moved to the area a little more than 30 years ago, she realized she may have some allergies.
Year-round, my kids were getting sick, ear infections, sinus infections. It was just like, what's happening? And then we went to the allergist and found out we were allergic basically to Waco, just everything.
And one big culprit to her allergies was cedar pollen. Cedar pollen is most common from December through February. Our meteorologist Josh Johns tells me these drier months lead to easier pollen transport.
But as soon as we get a strong southwest wind, that takes that cedar out and pulls it directly into Central Texas. That stuff growing in the hill country and brings high cedar levels to us here, Waco, Temple, Killeen, and the Bryan area as well. And that happens when we get that westerly wind coming in.
They kind of look like Christmas trees, but it produces this very small pollen grain size and it travels hundreds of miles away. And so typically, whenever you breathe that in, your nose gets irritated.
I spoke with an allergist who gave me some tips on what you can do if you're facing those allergy symptoms. Stay indoors when you can, keep windows closed, and use the recirculating air button in your car when you're driving. Use antihistamines like Allegra, Claritin, and Zyrtec. Nasal sprays like Flonase and Nasonex also work well.
At that point, if things aren't still well controlled, then we usually recommend probably seeing an allergist, seeing us. And that way we can skin test you to figure out what you're allergic to specifically.
Palich tried it all, but nothing seemed to work. She recently stumbled upon a home remedy that she says changed her life.
So I did try the bee pollen, and within 2 to 3 months, it was a huge difference. And right now, I didn't even know that cedar was even high right now.
Dr. Neil Amar told me cedar pollen was one of his highest allergies, so he started getting allergy injections, another option after you've seen an allergist. Now he says he's never felt better.